Attachments are a commonly used feature in email communication. They can be used to share documents, images, or other files with recipients. However, attachments can sometimes trigger spam filters, preventing your emails from reaching their intended recipients. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to handle attachments correctly and avoid getting filtered as spam. 1. Keep attachments to a minimum. When sending attachments, it's best to keep them to a minimum. Large attachments can increase the chances of your email being flagged as spam. If possible, compress files or use cloud storage services to share links instead. 2. Use reputable file formats. Some file formats are more likely to trigger spam filters than others. Stick to well-known file formats such as PDF, DOCX, XLSX, or JPG. These formats are generally considered safe and are less likely to be filtered. 3. Scan attachments for malware. Before sending any attachments, ensure that they are free from malware or viruses. Run a scan through an up-to-date antivirus software to ensure your files are clean. This step will not only protect your recipients but also improve the chances of your email being delivered successfully. 4. Provide clear context for attachments. When sending attachments, it's important to provide clear and concise context. Explain why you are sending the attachment and how it relates to the email content. This will help recipients understand the relevance of the attachment and reduce the chances of them marking your email as spam. 5. Use trusted email service providers. Using a reputable email service provider improves the chances of your email avoiding spam filters. These providers often have measures in place to ensure the delivery of legitimate emails. Research and choose a reliable provider to enhance email deliverability. 6. Avoid spammy language or overuse of keywords. Spam filters often scan emails for specific keywords or phrases. Avoid using spammy language or excessively repeating keywords in your email content. These include phrases like limited time offer, act now, or excessive use of exclamation marks. Balancing your language and keeping it professional will reduce the likelihood of being flagged as spam. 7. Personalize your emails. Personalizing your emails can significantly improve deliverability. Use the recipient's name in the email subject line and body to make it more personal and relevant. Spam filters are more likely to let through personalized emails as they appear less spam-like. 8. Test your emails. Before sending your emails to a large recipient list, it's essential to test them. Test your emails across different email clients and spam filters to see how they are delivered. This way, you can identify any potential issues and make adjustments before sending them out. 9. Monitor your email deliverability. Keep an eye on your email deliverability metrics. Regularly check your email open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates. If you notice a decline in deliverability, take immediate action to investigate the issue and resolve any problems. 10. Maintain a clean email list. Regularly clean your email list to remove inactive or invalid email addresses. This will help improve your email deliverability and ensure that your messages are reaching the right recipients. Consider using email verification services to validate email addresses and eliminate any potential bounce backs. By following these best practices for handling attachments and avoiding spam filters, you can enhance your email deliverability and ensure your messages reach their intended recipients. Remember to keep attachments minimal, use reputable file formats, and provide clear context. Additionally, always test and monitor your emails to maintain a high-quality email marketing strategy.